Hi everybody, my name is Stephanie Bohr. I'm the Partner Marketing Manager here at Rockwell, and joining me today is Neamit Patel and Andy Agard with Gorman-Rupp, a gold level OEM partner in Rockwell's partner ecosystem. And today we are here to talk about how we are better together. Thank you both for joining me.
Yes, thank you for having us.
So what exactly does Gorman-Rupp do?
Gorman-Rupp manufactures pumps of various applications and varieties. We're in many different markets, oil and gas, wastewater, petroleum, things like that. And so we design, manufacture, and distribute those pumps. And as well as the engineered systems division, what we do is we actually take the pumps themselves, and then we add piping, valves, steel work, and then we also do the electrical controls that run the pumps, and that's where your products come in.
Gorman-Rupp offers a premium brand in the market, and that means it's imperative that we offer the highest quality and highest levels of customer service. Our engineered system division, where Neamit and I both work, has been a customer of Rockwell's and Allen Bradley since its inception. So we have relied and depended on Rockwell to help provide the level of quality and customer service to our customers.
We've continued to value the Allen Bradley brand, similar to Gorman-Rupp as well. We consider a high level of quality as well as a high level of expertise in the industry. So that's mainly why we partnered with Rockwell Equipment, is because we feel that they're aligned with the same responsibility to customers as we have with ours.
Can you think of a challenge or solution that was made possible by the partnership with Rockwell?
Yeah, so one of the investments that we did in the engineering team with Rockwell was develop an algorithm to do clog detection within the pumps themselves. Now that uses the integrated architecture that's built on the Rockwell platform. So we use Compact Logix PLCs, PowerFlex series drives, Stratix switches, and PanelView HMIs. And with all that integrated architecture, we monitor various things within the drives as the pumps are operating, and that allows us to basically monitor, and if there's any deviation in that signal that we collected all that data from that is provided through the Rockwell drives, we can alert either maintenance or the operators or anybody that there's an alarm and that they need to check on their pumps. It's a trend that's going on in the pumping industry. A lot of other manufacturers are doing clog detection in various methods. We didn't want to be obtrusive to the pumping cycles themselves because our lift stations actually move sewage out of communities. So if they end up backing up, that'll actually back up into residential homes and things of that. So we want to make sure that we're always pumping regardless of that signal, and then do some clog detection and alert. As long as the pump can still operate, we still want it to run.
So was there a bigger company initiative that was part of this whole project?
Well, it falls under the main company strategic initiatives of continuous improvement and innovation, which is something that Gorman-Rupp has always strived for. Our Rockwell account manager got us access to the technical consultants in the engineering Rockwell, and the two teams, the technical consultants and our engineering team, collaborated to design, develop, and test the new product.
Okay.
So combining Rockwell's knowledge of the products along with Gorman-Rupp's knowledge and experience in the pumping industry allowed us to achieve success in the project.
So speaking of success, how did you actually measure the success of this project?
Well, with any OEM integrated equipment, we measure success through sales. So obviously, we've been able to market that product and sell that product, and then get customer feedback because we want to always take care of our customers.
So out of curiosity, what did the customers say about the success of this project?
They love it. It's quite a different atmosphere in comparison to what they're used to. So now that we're integrating that technology with our pump technology, I think they see the value in the Gorman-Rupp product.
How are you now going to build on all this success?
Well, I think it's continuing that model of predictive maintenance, preventative maintenance, alerts, using the integrated architectures and technologies that are available to us, the data links within the drives and the communications between the processors and the other integrated equipment, and just furthering that development and creating more opportunities to prevent downtime.
Okay, fantastic. So what's on the horizon?
I think a lot of what we're looking at, we've also used an Encompass partner of yours, ePlan and Rittal, and we have
Sure.
investments in some of their automated machinery. So developing technologies to go from that engineer to order to configure to order types scenarios is where we're headed.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for you both being here and sharing that Better Together story. And for those of you watching, thank you so much, and we will see you next time.
Thank you.